Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Dhiya Vlogs. In today's video, we are going to talk about Accenture Stream Training for both Package App Development Associate and SASA role, that is System and Application Services Associate. So guys, if you have not already, do check out my previous videos, the Accenture Primer Overview and then a separate video especially for SASA role. So those videos will really help you clear your primer with confidence. So without any further delay, let's get into today's video. So in this video, we will discuss what are the streams, my preference, training, MCQ, hands-on, Viva, result and duration, and also about the retest. So what are the streams available? I have added clips here showing how I selected my preferences. The domains offered can change each year. For example, during my onboarding year, Big Data was not available, but it was available for previous batch. I gave Cloud as my first preference, followed by SAP. And finally, as a result, I got allotted into SAP Sales and Distribution. So you can also pause this video and go through these streams so that it will be useful for you later. I'll just read those out like Cloud, SAP, Informatica, Data Visualization, and then SAP itself you have so many divisions, right? So MERN, mean, and then you have this Java, and you have this Oracle, Cyber, and then testing also, and then IoT engineering, and then the Snowflake, and at last testing again. So yes, these are the branches that you have that you can choose and the streams that you have. My primer score was above 15, but I still got my fourth preference. This is because allocation is partly random, but from what I noticed, if you have good marks, at least your top 10 preferences might have a higher chance. If you are interested in coding, you can choose MERN or Java as your first preference. If you are more into consulting like me, you can give SAP as your top preference. And then the result notification. After submitting your preferences, you will receive the result by email within 5 days. Once your stream is allotted, you will undergo training in that stream. Be allotted to a project in the same domain. Can you switch to a different stream later? Yes, but only after completing your allotted stream training, and you will have to follow a separate procedure for that. So let's talk about the training process. So the trainings are assigned based on your stream. The duration varies 1 month, 3 months, 6 months. This depends on your stream and business requirement. So it includes self-paced modules and then live trainer sessions. Mostly live trainers will be there. You have to attend it offline. So attend all sessions regularly, make notes of every day's class, practice the hands-on exercises, ask your doubts to your trainer. For 2 months training, 2 MCQs plus 1 hands-on will be there. And then for 6 months training, 4 MCQs plus 1 hands-on will be there. Regarding the MCQ details, MCQ 1 based on first half of modules and then previous questions can come. And then MCQ 2, first half plus second half modules. Again, you can expect repeated questions. So let's talk about the duration. For MCQ 1, you have 1 hour. And then MCQ 2, similarly 1 hour. But in hands-on and Viva, you have 2.5 hours. So MCQ 1 and MCQ 2, you have 40 questions each, and then 1 mark per question is converted into 20 marks. And then for hands-on, you can expect 3 to 4 questions, and then it will be divided in such a way that total mark comes around 80. Like 2 questions might have different marks or altogether same marks. So it's like it is divided in such a way the total mark will be 80 and then the Viva mark will be 20. So if you add that, 100 marks will come. So let's see how to avoid this retest first and how much you have to aim to avoid this retest. If you don't score above 60% in hands-on and then the Viva, so in that case you have to do a retest for hands-on plus Viva. If you don't score above 60% in the assessments like primers plus MCQ 1 plus MCQ 2, in that case you have to repeat the test again. That is, you have to go for a retest again. So in this case, if you are done with your retest 1 and then you failed again, then you have to go to retest 2. If you are done with your retest 1 correctly, you don't have to do your retest 2. And in case where you fail in retest 1, in that case you have to go to retest 2. So don't panic, most people will get it. The level is usually easy to medium. So most candidates get into retest during the hands-on phase only. So to avoid this, attend your hands-on sessions attentively, cover all the basics and prepare for your Viva in parallel. Viva is usually based on what you did on hands-on. So stay consistent, don't skip practice and keep revising daily. If you found this video helpful, like, share and subscribe for more such content on Accenture onboarding and training. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Keep going and keep growing.